Welcome back to infyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we have another very interesting question from algebra. 1 over x square plus 1 over x equal to 1. X is positive. Then we have to evaluate expression x power 5 over 25 plus 5 over x minus 1 whole power 5. So let's get started by considering required expression equal to E. Now x minus 1 in the denominator. So I can write x cannot be 1 also. Now x is greater than 0. So we can multiply our equation by x square. Both sides. Let's multiply. X square times 1 over x square will give us 1 plus x square times 1 over x. This will be x equal to x square, or I can write x square is equal to x plus 1. Take all the terms to LHS. X square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. This is one quadratic equation. We can use quadratic formula. So x will become minus b. So I can write minus of minus 1 plus minus square root of b square. So minus 1 square minus 4 times 1 times c is negative 1 over 2 times 1. So I can write 1 plus minus square root of 1 plus 4 over 2. So I can write here x will be equal to 1 plus minus square root 5 over 2. If I will write both the values, so one value is 1 plus root 5 over 2 and other we can write 1 minus root 5 over 2. Now root 5 is 2.23. So this value we will get negative. As per given condition, x is positive. So we are going to accept 1 plus root 5 over 2. This will be rejected. So I can write x equal to root 5 plus 1 over 2. Now I will find x minus 1 also, which will be equal to root 5 plus 1 over 2 minus 1, which we can write root 5 plus 1 over 2 minus 2 over 2, or x minus 1 will be equal to, denominator is 2, root 5 plus 1 minus 2. So x minus 1 will come out root 5 minus 1 over 2. Now we have x minus 1. We'll multiply both. So x times x minus 1 will be equal to root 5 plus 1 over 2 times root 5 minus 1 over 2, which we can write x times x minus 1 equal to 2 times 2, denominator will be 4. In numerator, root 5 plus 1 times root 5 minus 1. Now we can use a plus b times a minus b identity, which is equal to a square minus b square. So x times x minus 1 will be equal to root 5 square minus 1 square over 4. So square root and square will be over 5 minus 1 over 4. So we will get x times x minus 1 equal to 4 over 4, or x times x minus 1 will be equal to 1. Now x cannot be equal to 1, so I can divide both sides by x minus 1. Let's divide. In RHS also x minus 1. So x minus 1 will be over. We will get one very important result, x equal to 1 over x minus 1. So we are going to apply here. Let's write. I will write expression E equal to x power 5 over 25 plus 5 times 1 over x minus 1 whole power 5. Now our result 1 over x minus 1 equal to x. We are going to apply here. So we will get expression equal to x power 5 over 25 plus 5 times x power 5. Now x power 5 is common. We will take x power 5 common out. So in the bracket we will get 1 over 25 plus 5, which we can write x power 5 times 1 over 25 plus denominator should be 25. So 25 times 5, 125. Now denominator is same. We can simply add the numerators. We will get 1 plus 125 over 25. Or we can write expression will be equal to 126 over 25 times x power 5. Let me write here expression E equal to 126 over 25 times x power 5. Now our quadratic equation was x square is equal to x plus 1. We can consider squaring both sides. So we will write power 2, power 2. Now in RHS we will apply a plus b whole square. In LHS 2 times 2 will be 4 equal to x square plus 2x plus 1. Now x square is x plus 1, which we will apply here. So I can write x plus 1 plus 2x plus 1. So this will give us 3x plus 2. And this is the value of x power 4. So x power 4 equal to 3x plus 2. Now our target is to find out x power 5. So let's multiply both sides by x. This side also we will multiply with x. So LHS will become x power 5 and RHS will be 3x square plus twice x. Now x square is x plus 1. Let's apply this value. So we can write x power 5 will be equal to 3 times x plus 1 plus 2 times x. This will give us 3x plus 3 plus 2x. So x power 5 will become 5x plus 3. And remember our expression is 126 over 25 times x power 5. So I will write x power 5 equal to 5x plus 3. Now x was square root 5 plus 1 over 2. So I can write 5 times square root 5 plus 1 over 2. Then we'll write plus 3. Now I can write 5 is square root 5 plus 5 over 2 plus 6 over 2. So we can write 5 root 5 plus 5 plus 6 over 2. So we can get 5 root 5 plus 11 over 2. This will be the value of x power 5. Now we will evaluate expression E. This was 126 over 25 times x power 5. Let's plug in the value. We will get 126 over 25 times 5 root 5 plus 11 over 2. Now we can cancel 126 with denominator 2. So this will give us 63. So I can write expression E will become 63 over 25 in the bracket 11 plus 5 root 5. Now we can expand also. E will be equal to 63 times 11, 693 over 25 plus 63 square root 5 over 5. This will be our final answer. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Take care of yourself.